around its Santa Clara, California headquarters. Take a look at some properties that recently sold nearby. For about $1.1 million, you get 960 square feet. $1.98 million, 3 beds, 1,300 square feet, and apparently a bright yellow door. And if you got $3 million to drop, you get a 2-car garage, small cars, but 2-car garage, 4 bedrooms, 4 bath, just under 2,100 square feet. Santa Clara is not Atherton or Los Gatos. Let's talk more about it with Bay Area real estate agent Spencer. Sue Spencer, thank you very much for coming on. Especially, we just called you a couple hours ago, so appreciate it. How hot is your market, and how much have you noticed a correlation between how NVIDIA is doing and the real estate market around the headquarters?
Absolutely. I'm glad to be here. In general, the NASDAQ has hit near all-time record highs. And so overall, most people have a lot of RSUs and stocks as part of their comp package. Now, NVIDIA employees have certainly done far better than everyone else. And so this has accelerated the move for a lot of people to get into the market much earlier. Usually things get hot in the springtime, but this year, spring has occurred a lot earlier.
Yeah, and RSUs, by the way, restricted stock units, what a lot of employees get, they have to hold them for a couple of years and they cash them in. I'm sure a smart realtor and successful realtor like yourself, Spencer, you probably know when the bulk of these, not just the IPO, that's obvious, but when big chunks of RSUs may come available, because I got to imagine your phone starts to ring off the hook.
Yeah, it's been incredibly busy. As you all may know, interest rates are significantly higher than before, but it seems like we may be breaking all-time records this upcoming spring. So in general, people are on the move. They've waited many years now, and it's been time for them to get going.
But Spencer, you talked about interest rates. My guess is a massive chunk of your buyers are paying cash.
There's a lot more. When rates are higher, interesting enough, you actually see a lot more people come in with more cash because the cost of borrowing is higher. So the reality is a combination of saving over time, but a combination of just divesting some of their existing holdings. That's why you see a bigger chunk down to reduce that loan cost.
And quickly, homes not on the market long at all, are they?
No, the average is only 1 week.
1 week?
1 week. You better be ready to go. If you're out on vacation for 1 week, I'm sorry you missed that whole batch.
That is amazing. Let's bring them up again if we can, guys. The house of Spencer Sue. Appreciate you joining us. Amazing story, and I hope you're making some money off it as well. All right.
Doing what we can.
Yeah, I'm sure you're doing just fine, my friend. All right, let's get a quick check on futures before